Okay, folks, example number 2. Millet, will you give me the formula for the distance? D equals square root. We'll go x2,
Okay.
although we know we just need to go in the same direction.
x2
Uh-huh.
minus x1
Let me move this thing out of the way.
squared plus
Hang on, let me move this. Good. Plus what?
parentheses
Mm-hmm.
y is x2
Y sub 2,
minus y1
y sub 1.
squared.
Beautiful. Okay, that's our formula. I'm going to draw it a little bit bigger here and let some folks fill stuff in for me. Parentheses minus parentheses squared plus parentheses parentheses minus parentheses parentheses squared. All right? Good. Walker, help me with these in the front. 10 minus negative 4. Now, Walker, you see we could have done negative 4 minus 10. Okay, that's fine as long as we go in the same direction. Okay? And then what do I get for the next one? Lauren S.
-3,
3. And then 9. Love it. Grayson, help me simplify this thing. I want you to do, hang on, I want you to do the subtract. I guess the internets is not feeling well. Grayson?
That would be 14
Okay, that's going to be 14 squared plus
plus, that's a negative, so that would be, let's see, -6
negative 6
squared.
squared. All right, good. And then let's see. Jet, help me simplify here. What's 14 squared? All right, I'll help there. I'll help because I don't have the calculator on the desk today. That's 196. What's the next one for me, Jet? 36, okay. All right, so now I've got the distance is equal to the square root. Can someone do that one for me in their head? Livy, what you got?
Well, you would have a 2 as the ones place.
Yeah,
Then you would have the 3 as the tens place.
yep,
And then you'd have a 2 as the
beautiful, 232. Now, I know 4 goes into it. I need to simplify this thing. Do not give me a decimal. Do not give me a decimal. Give me a simplified radical, okay? So I'm going to go over here, square root of 232. That's going to be 4 times something. 58. That's 2 times 2. And let's see, that's going to be 2 times 29. Okay, well that's not going to break down. So I'm going to get root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 29. This simplifies to what, Harrison? 2. What do I do with those two things? Millet? Just multiply them back together, and that's root 58. So the distance is equal to 2. I know, that's all me. 2 times the square root of 58. That's what the distance equals, and I'll put a big box around it. Okay? Make sure that you always simplify your answers. You always reduce fractions. You always simplify radicals. You do not necessarily give us decimals unless we ask for an approximation. Okay? Because that's all you can do for a square root when you give it in its decimal form. Okay? All right. Good job. I think you're ready. Go for it.